Ever wondered why the dragon fruit, with its vibrant colors and unique appearance, is making waves in the health and wellness world? Well, this tropical delight packs not just a visual punch, but a nutritional one too. Firstly, dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants. These powerful substances work to neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, promoting health and warding off diseases. Secondly, dragon fruit holds a high fiber content. This aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of constipation, and promoting a feeling of fullness, which is beneficial for those aiming to maintain or lose weight. Thirdly, this exotic fruit is loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient known for its immunity-boosting properties. Eating dragon fruit can help keep those pesky colds and flus at bay. Fourthly, dragon fruit contains prebiotics. These feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, contributing to a healthy microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. Fifthly, dragon fruit is low in calories yet provides essential nutrients, including vitamin B, magnesium, and iron. This makes it a nourishing and guilt-free choice for those watching their calorie intake. Lastly, this fruit is also hydrating, given its high water content. This makes it a refreshing choice, especially during those hot summer months. To sum it up, the dragon fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition. With its high antioxidant, fiber, and vitamin C content, plus its gut-healthy prebiotics and low calorie count, it's no wonder this fruit is a favorite among health enthusiasts. Not to mention its hydrating benefits, making it a perfect, refreshing treat. So next time you come across this exotic fruit, remember, it's not just its fiery name and vibrant appearance that make it remarkable, but the multitude of health benefits it delivers. Enjoy the nutritious, delicious, and exotic dragon fruit. It's truly a gem in the world of fruits.